when making decisions, right, if the community, right, if St. George, whether it's a city council member or it's one of the city leadership, right, has some control over this, but not a ton of control over this, does it seem like people default to the ones that are upset? Do you think it changes because there's that ambivalence and it's like, no matter what I do, it's going to be right or wrong? Do you think that affects the way they make decisions in planning and zoning and stuff like that?
Yeah, I think there's a couple elements to it. I think the first is kind of what is kind of the state of play? What does the chessboard look like when you kind of start this? And any given city council, any given set of permanent staff, they sort of already inherit, I sometimes refer to it as the operating system of a city, the land use ordinances and the land use patterns and practices that have been sort of passed down through generations. That's their starting point. They're already sort of constrained by that set of rules and that game that has been established that they now have to play. Then within that context, we've set all sorts of different expectations about what's reasonable and unreasonable in the way our cities evolve.